Hello everyone. The topic I would be discussing today is the second topic of O level in IGCSE economics. This is economic systems here, and I suggest all of you, if you don't have this book, this is the book. I will be discussing all these topics you can see on the screen right now, and you can also purchase this book online as well. I will give you the link of this book in description. You can find it there. And if you have this book, then you can utilize it for mini exams, CAIE exams, which are going to be conducted very soon. And the exam paper will be since based on MCQs, so it will help you a lot. Each MCQ has been explained, and you can basically practice at your own as well. And furthermore, you can keep watching the videos on this channel as well. I will be posting regularly videos relevant to different topics. So the topics for today is economic system, and economic systems are of three types. One is free market, the second one is planned economy, then is mixed economy. Free market economy is under private sector and planned economy is under government, and mixed economy has both public and private sector, mean some of the resources are under government and some of the resources are under private sector. Whenever we talk about public sector means the government. Public sector is an alternative term for government sector. So now moving to the questions relevant to economic system. The first question is, which of the following is an advantage of market economic system? Market economic system is the system which is under private sector. So in private sector of economy, there is always an incentive to produce. So option C will be the correct answer, because it provides profit motive and incentive to produce. If you produce, you can earn profit. So C is the best answer. And the question number 2 is, why did planned economies often experience long queues for consumer goods? Long queues are experienced because people will have to wait in lines, they will have to stay in lines for longer time to get the product. Why this happens in planned economy? Means planned economy is the economy which is under government. So in case of government, why people have to stay in long queues to get the product for longer time? So the true answer and correct answer for this question is option C. The distribution of goods was inefficient. In public sector, in government sector, there is inefficiency in everything almost as compared to the public sector. So government in government sector, generally the process is slow, response is slow, so it takes time for distribution of the goods. So B is the correct answer. Now moving to question number 3, which action is evidence that a country is a planned economy? Again, question is relevant to planned economy, and planned economy is the economy which is under the government. Okay, so which of the following options show that it is a planned economy? So the correct answer is government plans the allocation of all resources, because it is under government. So government decides what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. So it allocates resources. What is always a feature of mixed economy? Mixed economy is an economy in which some of the resources are under government and some of the resources are under private sector. So you have to find out the option in which government and private sector both are involved. So option B is correct answer. Resources are used in public and private sector. Mean public sector mean government sector. Whenever examiner uses the term public, it means government, and whenever it talks about private, it means individuals and companies. So public and private sector both are involved in mixed economy. So B is the correct answer. Sometimes examiner uses the word public company. Public company is different thing. That is not under government. That is private company. Public limited companies are generally called public companies, which are registered in stock exchange market. So they are not under government. And the next question and last question for this lecture is question number 5. In a market economy, what does the entrepreneur decide? In market economy is again free market economy, in which resources are under private individuals and companies. So private entrepreneurs in free market economy decide the combination of resources used how much resources and what type of resources should be used. This decision is taken by the entrepreneurs in free market economy. Okay, so this is it for this topic, and I will be explaining another topic soon and will be sharing with you. So again, if you are interested to get the book, I will be discussing all of these topics in this lecture series, and if you want to get this book, you can go to the description. I will give you the link there and you can get it from there. So this is it. So see you in the next lecture.